Is this the way to eat cinnamon roll?
Cinnamon roll. We start by unraveling it from the center and...
That doesn't sound right. Hey, what you think about this?
Somebody!
Lord have mercy.
Right. Hey, my dude, what you think about this?
That is not the correct way to eat a cinnamon roll. That is not the way you're supposed to do it. That is some false ass information about the cinnamon roll, and I don't appreciate it. You're gonna have all these goofy ass children walking around eating the cinnamon rolls the wrong way. That is not correct information. You're supposed to eat the cinnamon roll like that. What the hell wrong with you?
You're done.
Let's go to bar.